Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you guys to Tjmaxx and Marshalls to shop the makeup finds. So in today's video, it's all going to be pretty much about makeup. So if you guys are interested in seeing what high-end designer makeup I find at Tjmaxx and Marshalls, just keep watching. But before we start the video, don't forget to hit that like button down below and subscribe to my channel because I would love to have you. Also, make sure you have your post notifications turned on so you don't miss an upload. And let's start this Tjmaxx and Marshalls shop with me. So today we are starting in the makeup at Marshalls, and the first thing I found was this velour lash set. This actually has lashes, glue, and the applicator for only $8. Sorry, I could not see the price on that, but that's a really good deal. I love velour lashes. They are one of my favorites. Next, we have these Allure pre-glued intense wispy lashes. So actually I've never heard of pre-glued lashes, but that's pretty cool. They were $4.99. Next, they did have this huge eyelash set. There's 6 different lashes in it, and I actually could not find the brand on it. I did not have a brand on it, so I'm thinking this is like a Christmas set already. This was $6.99. Maybe I'm just blind, but I do not see a name on it, so I think this is just like a random Christmas set. Next, we have Makeup Revolution. Apparently they have these palettes. These are like the Friends palettes. This one is the Ross one. It does retail for around $12 on their website, but it was only $4.99 here at Marshalls today. And it was like a really like pretty palette, probably for fall time. Next, we have some Maybelline Tattoo Studio 24-hour brow pomade for $3.99, and it does actually retail for $12.99 on Ulta's website, and I actually have used this pomade and I do like it. Next, we have this NARS. You can't really read it because they have the little detector thing on it, but anyways, it was $24. This is like a cheek palette, and I threw a picture up. You guys can see it better on the screen. It has like 3 different shades on it, and it was $24.99 here at Marshalls. Next, we have some Morphe. So this is the 18A Blue Yo Way palette. This does retail for around $20, and there is what the palette looks like. Tons of blue shades, but it was only $12.99 here at Marshalls today. So it's a really good deal, and they had tons of Morphe. So next we have the 9W Smoke and Shadow palette by Morphe. There's what it looks like, and it does retail for $12 at Ulta, but it was only $8.99, and that looked like a really pretty palette. Next, we have the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. This is Bring the Alarm. So this is the second time I've seen Jaclyn Hill here. The first time I seen this palette and the other one, I can't remember the name of it, the one with the purple in it, and I did pick that one up. They're only $8.99, and I think that's a really good deal. Next, we have some Marc Jacobs mascara. So this is actually the mini travel size, and this was actually going for around $27 on Amazon. That's insane. It was only $5.99 here at Marshalls. Next, we have the Cream Shop. This is Holy Brow, and they have 3 different shades. This one is the deep shade. It does retail for $12, but it was only $3.99. Next, we have this Stila Magnum mascara. It does retail for around $12, and this is the mini size, but it was actually only $6.99 here at Marshalls today. Next, we do have some more Morphe. This is the Maddie Ziegler. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. Anyways, this is a lip and cheek set for $18, but it was only $5.99 here at Marshalls. Next, we do have some Milk makeup. I haven't seen much Milk makeup here lately, but this is the Kush Lip Glaze. Does retail for $18, but it was only $5.99 here at Marshalls today. Next, we do have some more Morphe. This is the Coca-Cola 1971 Morphe collection. This is the Harmony 4-piece lip collection. Does retail for $19, but it was only $7.99. I've actually seen that quite a few times here lately. Next, we have this oil infused lip tint from NARS. It does retail for around $20, but it was only, I totally missed the price. But yeah, you guys probably seen it. Anyways, this is the Anastasia lip gloss. It is on sale on their website for $12, but it was only $6.99 here at Marshall's. So it's a pretty good deal still. I do like Anastasia's lip gloss. Next, we have this Lipstick Queen. This is a 3-piece trio lip gloss set. Actually, I could not find this anywhere online. I could not even find a website for them, so I could not compare the price, but it was only $7.99. Next, we have this. I've actually never seen this brand before, and I'm not really familiar with it. This is Terry. This is a nude duo foundation stick. They did have it at Nordstrom. I found it for around $40, but it was only $12.99 here at Marshall's. Next, we have this 11-piece silver brush collection by e.l.f. And actually, they no longer have this one on their website, and I couldn't find it anywhere, so I can't really compare it. But I was seeing it on eBay for like $30, so it was only $16.99. Next, we do have these Morphe sponges. These are like just little throwaway foundation sponges, and they were only $3.99. I think that's what it says. But I did forget to mention I am at Tjmaxx now. Next, we have this illuminating glow powder. This is the Honest Beauty. This was only $4.99 here at Tjmaxx today. So actually, here is another brand that I'm not too familiar of. This is Well People. This is the Bio Baked Brightener Powder. It does retail for $20 at Ulta. And then next we have some Bare Minerals. This is the Blemish Rescue Powder. It's powder foundation. $23 is the retail price on that, and it was in a darker shade. Next, here is this is Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue Tinted Moisturizer. It was only $9.99 here at Tjmaxx today. So they did have tons of different Becca products, but I'm not really going to go too in depth with that because I have showed all these Becca products multiple times in my last several videos actually, so I'm going to kind of skip over that. Just know they had tons of Becca products. Next, we have this BOXYCHARM. This is a bronzer. It was $11.99 at Tjmaxx. And here's yet another brand I'm not really too familiar of. I've never seen before. It's Brow Affection. So actually I could not find this anywhere to find a comparable price on these. I literally could not find these products anywhere online. So I'm guessing there must be an older product. I'm not really sure, guys. If you know what this is, comment down below. Next, we have again that NARS cheek palette. So it was normally $42, but again it was only $23. They had the same one at Marshall's. I already showed you guys. But now here is a Pixi Beauty set. This is the Rose set, and it does retail for $22. It does have 3 different products in it, you guys can see right there, and it was only $7.99. Next, we do have another Pixi Beauty product, and this is kind of a set. This is a beauty bronzer plus the little brush that goes with it, and it was only $7.99 here at Tjmaxx today. And they did have a couple of these in different shades. Next, we have another Pixi Beauty. This is a waterproof mascara, and it was only $5.99 here at Tjmaxx. Now we do have another Kara Beauty palette. This is the Party Girl. I actually haven't seen that many Kara Beauty palettes here recently. So this one was only $5.99. And then next, I thought this one was so cute. This is Makeup Revolution Drive Through. This is the grilled cheesy one. It actually looks like a burger, and it was $12. Retails for $12, but I just thought the packaging was like so over the top and so cute for this. It even comes in like a little box for a burger. Next, we have a Morphe primer. This primer was only $5.99, and it was around $20 on Morphe's website, I believe. And then again, there is a lot of different Morphe primers. primers, foundations, and then even some Morphe bronzers, and I've showed these like crazy in my last couple videos, so I didn't really go in depth with it. Next we have this NYX foundation. Does retail for around $14, but it was only $4.99 today at Tjmaxx. Next we do have some more Bare Minerals. This is the Natural Oasis palette. There's what it looks like up on the screen. It does retail for $29, but it was actually only $14.99. Next, we actually found the Morphe Coca-Cola eyeshadow palette. This is the first time I've seen the eyeshadow palette. I've been seeing the lip palettes like crazy, but here is the eyeshadow palette. It does retail for around $22, but it was only $14.99. Next, we have a Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. There, I threw up on the screen a picture of what it looks like. Actually, this palette is like sold out and not for sale anymore on their website, but it was only $4.99 and it was a really pretty palette. Next, we do have a Morphe Illuminating Highlighter. This is $14 at Ulta, but it was only $4.99 here at Tjmaxx. Next, we have some more Physicians Formula. This is a little butter lip cream. It was $2.99, and it's usually around $8 on their website. Next, we found this. You guys know this is a very high-end brand. So this is a lipstick. It does retail for $26 for one lipstick, but it was only $9.99 here at Tjmaxx. Next, we have the Stila lip vinyl, and actually I did show you guys last time I found these. These were the final sell on their website, so they are getting ready to be discontinued. These were only $5.99. And now we have some more Morphe. This is the Maddie Ziegler. This is the little Dewy Balm Face Gloss Stick. And it was only $4.99. I believe I already showed you guys this at Marshall's, or maybe that was my last video. I can't remember. But next, this is the Laura Mercier. This is a actual lip set. It comes with the lipstick and a lip pencil. I couldn't find this to compare the price, but just know it was going for like $50 and up on eBay.